Welcome to today's video where we are going to take a look at the Leatherworking hammer style mallet. Let's start with the unboxing experience. So really nothing much to it. Here is the hammer. This is the 700 gram or the 24 ounce weight version of the Leatherworking hammer. So there's one that's even bigger. It has like some weight added on the top here. So it's one step down from the biggest size they offer. Let's see a quick overview of what we have. First we have a stacked leather handle. So it kind of feels like wood, but aesthetically it's far more appealing with the little struts. Kind of like stone actually, but yeah, it feels like wood. Pretty nice to hold, so like a soft texture there. One downside of such a handle is that when you are working with dyes or stains, you have to pay attention to not get any on the handle, otherwise it will stain it too. But other than that, this looks really nice, I think. Very clean and premium feeling. On the bottom here we have the brass nut that holds everything together. A little washer. Smells like leather too for those who are interested, but it's so subtle that when it's just on your desk you don't feel the smell, you have to put it against your nose. On the top here some brass. It's not a full cylinder, you can see here. It doesn't go all the way through, it's just like a top cap, just a little detail to know. Finally we have the nylon head, a solid feel. I've used it for a few projects now, and you can see there is some little, I don't know if the camera can pick those up, there are some little visible like changes in the way the hammer reflects light, but under the finger no damage. So I think it will last for a long time. This really looks like an expensive tool, which it is. So when you're putting this on an Instagram post or whatever, this does add an aesthetic element to your photo and feels like, you know, a specialist tool to use. Also on the top there we have Leatherworking Sheridan, WI for Wyoming, I believe. And also a little hole on top. It's not for a screwdriver. I don't know what this is for. If anyone knows, please write it down in the comments. I would be interested too. But basically there is some putty in there, and yeah, I believe this must have been used to assemble the hammer in the factory. Quickly, let's also do a quick demo of this hammer using some of these pricking irons. My setup is a bit incomplete, so I'm using this cutting mat as the hammering surface. It's not really ideal because the pricking irons do go through it, so they are damaging what's underneath. If you are getting started with leatherworking, don't put all of your budget in the hammer and the irons. Also make sure you have a nice cutting surface, like a thick nylon block or something similar. So this was my review of the Leatherworking's 24 ounce nylon head mallet. Overall, I would say if you have the budget, this is a fantastic tool to have in your toolkit, but it's not a must, as cheaper alternatives do the exact same thing, also just fine. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe down below to not miss any future uploads. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.